Hello kids, in previous class we came to know how to write the questions. Yes? Now, seeing an object, we want to write questions. Okay? Our aim is to write questions to know more about an object. So regarding an object, why we want to take an object? See, normally your friends or your relatives or someone might be having a thing which they like it very much. Yes? Just if you go to their house, you will be seeing a teddy bear, a big teddy bear or something, a new thing which you like very much. Then you want to know more about that one. So what do? First, we want to ask questions about the thing to know, inquire more about a thing. Yes? So we are talking about questions. So what is the main thing to identify a question? We want to remember that every question must end with a question mark. First of all, every question must end with a question mark. So if I see an object, so let us think it's a small teddy bear. Okay? So there is a small teddy bear. They like it very much. Okay. Now, what are you going to talk about this? You want to ask your friend to get information. To get information. So, what is the first one to get the information about an object? So, if you are talking about an teddy bear, what do you want to ask? About that, you want to get the information. So, what do you like very much? So, if you ask a question like, what do you like very much? They may tell you an object name. It might be a teddy bear, it might be anything. Okay? What do you like very much? Now, after knowing what the thing is, what do you want to do? So, because we are telling that about an object, whatever it might be an object. Now, when coming to if we talk only about the teddy bear or something, anything, why do you like it? So, we want to know the reason. Why do you like it? So you are asking the reason why the person like it. Yes? Now, maybe your friend, he is not going to buy himself. So some member may have given him. So who gave you? Who means about the person. We are inquiring here about the person. Who gave you this teddy? This? So any object. If you are talking about any object, you can write the object name here. Who gave you this teddy? Who gave you this car? Who gave you this? Any toy name. Okay? So in this way, what do you like very much? First to know about the thing what they like. This is to collect the information. Okay? When you know that they like something, then you will go for the other questions like why do you like it? Who gave you this? Okay? When did they give? Means we want to know the timing, maybe on birthday or simply or on some occasion. You want to know the timing. So when, what do you ask? When did you get it? When did you get it? So you are inquiring now when, the timing. Now where, if you want to know the place from where if they had buy it. Okay? So then you will ask the question, where did he get it from? Where did he get it from? Or where did you buy it? Where did you buy it? Where did your uncle bought it? So, why we are saying this? Did is the past form. Did is the past form because already they bought it. Already they bought it. The action is completed. We used it. Who gave? Give, gave, given. In this, gave is the past form. We are using gave past form. Why do you like it? Means now also she likes. So I use do, not the did. This is the present form. Do, did, done. Do, did, done. So present is do, past is did. See, you are going to know the present and the past. If you are going to inquire about the past things, you want to use the completed action. We want to use past. So for do, it is did. So now also they like. So why do you like it? So already completed actions, they go for did. So give, gave, it is the past form. Give, gave, it is the same as eat, ate. Okay. So like this we will be inquiring. So while inquiring about about a thing, you are supposed to remember that when we are talking about an object, you want to be clear what object it is. So what do you like very much? Why do you like it? Who gave you this? When did you get it? Where did he get it from? So everything means every word of WH. So we can observe that it starts with WH. So do you like it very much? So if I ask a question like, do you like it very much? Or do you like it? So this is also a question because it is ending with question mark, and do is also one word which we use to inquire. Okay, so here normal sentences, if we take the normal sentences, they start with a naming word. I am going to park. We are reading. So every time I, we, these are also the naming parts. Why? Because they are the pronouns, particularly we are talking about some person. In the same way, the questions that doesn't start with a naming part, normally they start with what or how and do, such type of words, and they end with a question mark. All the questions end with a question mark. Now children, basing on this, you can inquire your parent, inquire your friend or anyone about the favorite thing he liked. Okay, so basing on this, let us do the volume page number 48. See here. Draw or paste your friend's special thing in the box. So you want to ask your friend what he likes and draw the thing. Now write questions to know more about your friend's special thing. Dash is this. So you are going to get an information. Dash gave it to you. And also many questions you can ask and you can collect the information about the thing. So you can draw anything here, maybe your favorite, your friend's favorite. Because you are asking the questions, better take your friend or your family member or your brother or sister what they like and just draw and ask questions basing on that. Okay children? Thank you.